Good morning, all. Just wanted to remind you that it's mulch time. They did extend the sale at Lowe's on the $2 a bag mulch. It's 5 for $10. I don't know how long it's extended, but I know it's through this weekend again. So today is 3/28, so at least today and tomorrow. Sun's shining here where I'm currently at, so you may want to drop by and grab you some. Not sure, but it's the best deal you're going to have for the season. They might do it again in July or something. Also, you can get the 1 cubic foot garden soil, flower, vegetable, garden soil, 5 for $10 also. So it's another great bargain. I think this stuff is normally like $2.49. It doesn't show the price here, but $2 a bag, can't hardly beat that either. Grass seed, they're still running that at $20, up to $20 off, depending on the variety and the size of the bag. So it's also a good deal if you just need some this morning. Just a few more deals. I was just flipping through to see what they had. Dewalt 2-pack batteries. These are the 20 volt. This is 3 amp hour batteries. They've got them knocked down to $99. That is a 2-pack. That's 60% off. If you've got this tool lineup, a couple of extra batteries for $99, you might want to stock up. Craftsman, this is a wall mountable hose reel, 125 psi. It's knocked down to $129. You're saving $53. This is good till April 13th. I noticed this one too. This is a rolling woodworking bench. They've got this in like 4 colors, and I'll show you the other colors in a moment. $150 off. Man, that's a great deal on a nice Kobalt rolling. It says wood bench. It just means wood top. You can use it for whatever you want. It's a very nice cart for $348. Save $150. You need some more racks, storage racks. These are the ones that hold those nice black and yellow top tubs. Save $25. They should have plenty available at your store. $79.98 a piece. Party lights, saving $15 right now. They're down to $39.98. This is a 24-foot set, multicolor. Trash bags, knocking $5 off. This is under what they're calling now the extra big deal. So I looked through a few of those. $14.78. These are high quality bags. Here's another picture of that wood top toolbox. This one's in pink, white, blue, and it does have other colors, but I'm just giving you a variety. So they're matching pretty much anything you got, and you may have other cobalt, so you'll want that dark blue to match it. Here's a nice extra big deal on a Dewalt 20 volt set. This is got the reciprocating saw. It's got both the drills, you know, the hammer drill and the regular drill. It's got the flashlight. It's got a couple of batteries and the charger. $3.99, knocking $100 off. I think that's all I had down for the moment. Like I said, I was going to get some mulch, and I said, everybody might need to know if they forgot about it. $2 a bag. So if this helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And until the next time we see each other, y'all take care.